So hardware hacking also saved lives. So I think the pandemic, the very smart Italian engineers, they just transformed the screwdriver mask into the, to help the patient breathe when they have the COVID. And this has really saved a lot of lives. And, they have done this really quick. So this is the power of hacking. And in a similar time, I also helping one company to develop the COVID test product, and we need to be quick because we need to test the people if they're positive or negative. And then we need to mix the reagent. So you see we need to have 6 vials that vibrate together, and we need to have a vibrator to kind of make it homogeneously stay inside the vial. But during the time, it's a very, very chaotic. So the shipping from the United States takes forever. So we need nearly 19,000 vibrations per minute. But the normal lab vibrator cannot achieve that. They can achieve only 3,000 or 4,000. So how can I find the vibration source? So I'm thinking about, we can use this one. From the data sheet, it can give you 17,000 vibrations per minute. That's great. And then I purchased online. I get it very soon. And then I disassemble it. You see, it took me a while because it's waterproof, you know. And then I need to violently open it. There's a motor inside. And I put in the device and switch on the power. It works perfectly. And what the best of this one is that it gives you 10 kinds of patterns of vibration. So this is the dirty secret of that company. Please don't ask me